Do you also believe that only a university degree will make you rich? In today's world, that's the biggest lie students are being told. A degree is good, but relying only on it won't make you money. That's why today, I'm going to show you 7 side hustles that can help you earn $1,000 every week. Faceless short-form content. The first side hustle is faceless short-form content, which students can start this year. The best part, anyone, anywhere can do this. Daniel Bittton is a great example. He started using social media at just 13, and by 16, he now makes $500,000 every month by creating short videos on Snapchat, without even showing his face. The reason this works so well is because apps like Snapchat, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are competing hard to grab people's attention, which means they are paying creators big money. If you want to make money like Daniel, focus on original content. He doesn't just copy videos, he adds voiceovers, music, and edits to make them unique. Posting consistently and making content in different niches helped him grow faster. Now, let's talk about the effort. I'd rate this 4 out of 5 in terms of learning difficulty. You need to learn how to hook viewers and keep them watching till the end. You don't need much money, just a phone and internet. 1 out of 5, cost. And making $1,000 a month is easier than you think. 1 out of 5 difficulty if you create good content. Believe in yourself, and you can do it too. Dollar cost averaging. Another great idea is dollar cost averaging, DCA, a simple investing strategy that has worked well for me. It means you invest small amounts regularly, no matter if the market is up or down. Over time, your buying price averages out, which helps you grow your money steadily. You can use DCA with any stock, but I recommend index funds. For example, if you invest just $200 every month for 40 years with an average 10% return, you could end up with over $1.2 million. Many think, but how will I get 10% return? Actually, the S&P 500 has returned an average of 11% over the past 10 years. However, I didn't only rely on investing, I built side hustles to make fast money and invested half of it, growing my wealth much faster. You should also do both together. Build a side hustle and invest. Learning investing is simple. I would rate it 1 out of 5 in difficulty. There are even apps like Trading 212 that let you automate everything. You can start with as little as $1, so you don't need much money. But remember, investing takes time. So pair it with a side hustle to start making faster income. Discord building. Another great side hustle is building and managing Discord servers. Chris Peters, a 19-year-old, is already making around $15,000 a month just by doing this. I first met Chris when he was only 17, and I had no idea how to run a Discord group. He offered to help me for free and completely improved my server. Since then, I've seen how hardworking and smart he is. And of course, now I pay him well for his services. For those who don't know, Discord is a platform where people can chat through text, voice, or video. It started for gamers, but is now used by businesses, creators, and communities worldwide. Many people still don't understand how to set up a good Discord server, especially older people, but young people can learn it quickly. Chris even started this while still in school. If you provide good value at the start, people will happily pay you later. Learning the basics is not hard. I'd rate it 2.5 out of 5. You only need a computer, so the cost is 1 out of 5. Making $1,000 a month is also easy if you get just 4 clients paying $250 each, and many clients may pay even more. Online coaching. Another powerful side hustle is online coaching. Jack Jefferson left his $70,000 job in London after his online fitness coaching started making him $7,000 a month. Some might think it's only a bit more than his salary, but the real benefit is freedom. He now works from anywhere with just an internet connection, helping clients and growing his business. Jack now has over 40 clients and keeps getting more. You don't have to be a fitness expert to do this. Online coaching works in many areas. From fitness to business advice, cooking, or even teaching languages, people pay for knowledge. Many young millionaires today are making big money from online coaching and digital products. Learning this isn't too hard. I'd rate it 2 out of 5 if you already have a skill people want. Jack's success comes from giving personal attention. He does onboarding calls, creates custom diet and workout plans, and offers regular video check-ins. This personal touch is better than just selling a boring online course. You only need a laptop to start, 1 out of 5 cost. Making $1,000 a month is quite easy, 1 out of 5 difficulty, because people are willing to pay for convenience and personal help. AI animation. Another amazing side hustle is AI animation. Mercy, who handles all the animations for my channel, makes around $8,000 to $10,000 every month by creating animations for different clients. AI is currently one of the biggest opportunities in technology, but surprisingly, most businesses haven't fully started using it yet. Every new technology goes through stages. First come the early innovators, then early adopters, followed by the early majority or late majority, and finally the laggards. Right now, AI is just starting to enter the early majority stage, meaning it's the perfect time to get in early and benefit before everyone catches up. Mercy uses AI tools like ChatGPT to plan ideas and Midjourney to create animations. Still, he spent months improving his skills to make high-quality animations and find good clients. I'd rate learning this as 4 out of 5 difficulty, but once you master it, you will stand out easily because the competition is still low. You don't need much money to start, just a few AI tools and a computer. 1 out of 5 cost. Making $1,000 per month is quite doable. 2 out of 5 difficulty, because creators are paying more for animation to make their videos look premium. Reselling luxury items. Another great side hustle is reselling luxury items. Ben Gallagher, a regular guy, started this as a small online side hustle. In 2023, his business, Lux Collective, made around £7.2 million and even got featured on Dragon's Den, similar to Shark Tank, where he secured an investment from Stephen Bartlett. The luxury resale market is booming, hitting $39.23 billion in 2023, mainly because young people love designer brands. And social media has made it even trendier. Reselling is amazing because you can sell worldwide thanks to the internet. Ben became successful by learning how to spot fake items and understanding the market well. He deals with big brands like Louis Vuitton, Chanel, and Hermes, and even gets items checked by experts to make sure they're real. I'd rate learning this skill as 4 out of 5 because you need time to study and practice. Starting can be costly, 3.5 out of 5, since luxury items can be expensive, but you don't have to start with high-end bags. Like Ben, you can begin with smaller items. Many resellers grow fast by using free marketing through platforms like TikTok, just like Ben did, gaining over 1.6 million followers. Making $1,000 a month is easy, 1 out of 5, since one sale could be enough. Online writing. One of the best side hustles today is online writing. Adam is a great example. He makes over $10,000 a month by writing online. He's not writing famous books like Harry Potter, but instead, he writes content that people and businesses actually need. Adam started by writing travel blogs and slowly moved into copywriting for big influencers. He got one client, then another, and kept growing. His advice is simple: don't try to be the cheapest, try to be the best. Clients are happy to pay more if you offer something unique and valuable. Online writing is in demand for many things like website copy, TikTok scripts, Twitter threads, and much more. Words can help businesses sell better, and that's why writers are needed everywhere. Learning to write well is hard, 5 out of 5, because it needs focus, especially today with so many distractions. But if you master it, you can make a lot of money. The best part is, you don't need expensive tools, just a phone or computer is enough. 1 out of 5 cost. Making $1,000 a month is very achievable. 1 out of 5 difficulty, once you improve your skills. Some writers even charge thousands of dollars for just one page.